Hey guys, I'm about to show you how easy and quick it was to do this Sunny Angels nail art. I did 5 different designs on this hand, but to make it easier, I'm gonna break it up and show you guys what I did per nail, just so it's not like a lot in one video. So first I use a neutral base color. I always do a neutral base gel polish because I don't like to go in right on top of acrylic when I do line art, because sometimes acrylic is just not as smooth, and to make it really smooth you have to file it so much. So a quick easy hack is to just go in with a neutral gel color. It doesn't have to be anything specific, just something like that's kind of similar to the base of the acrylic that you already have. And then I kind of mixed a few different colors to get this eggshell off-white. I didn't want the face of the Sunny Angels to be super white, so I mixed in like some tans into my gel white polish just to kind of make it a little bit off-white, like an ivory kind of color. And you'll see why later, because when I did the eyes, I had to do the eyes in white. So if I would have done the face white, then you wouldn't have been able to see the eyes. So I'm glad I kind of did that part. And then I'm going to go in with this green. The inspo picture that I'm going off of, the Sunny Angels is wearing a frog hat. So I'm keeping it thin on the sides. And then once I get to the top of the face, or like the top of the head really, is when I kind of make it a little bit thicker, because I want it to look kind of real. And then to add the frog eyes detail on the hat part, I use a dotting tool, and then I use my line art brush to kind of just blend it all together and make it look, I didn't want it to be like circles on top of the hat. I kind of wanted it to be like ears on top of the hat, if that makes sense. So I then took my dotting tool again and put some white circles in the middle, because we're making eyes with the frog hat. So I did another small circle, black circle in the inside of the white circle. And then now we're doing the eye part. Now this part was kind of challenging for me, because I'm not going to lie, I was not trusting the process. But I was kind of confused. I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't know if you'll be able to see the eyes. But then once I added the extra details on the eyes, and when I say extra details, I mean the lashes, like the bottom liner, the eyeballs, it really brought the eyes together, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. But I was kind of stressed, so I was like, let me actually stop filming for a second and kind of make sure that I'm doing this the correct way. But then once I got the hang of it, I was like, okay, this should work. This should definitely work out. So I used my dotting tool again, and I did 2 eyes, like black eyes in the corners. I did one outer corner for one of the eyes, and then I did the inner corner for the other one, again just because I wanted it to look kind of realistic. And then here's what I'm talking about, where you can kind of see the eyes coming to life, and using this black gel kind of made the white stand out a little bit more. I think it kind of made the eyes pop once I added the black up against the white. So this is when I was like, okay, I'm glad I trusted the process, because I'm not going to lie, when I got to the eyes, I was like, this is not going to work, and I just wasted my time. I got really nervous. And then the finishing details I added was I used some brown gel polish and just added like a really slight faint line above the eyes, because I wanted to give it some eyebrows. I noticed a lot of the nail art, when you're doing the Sunny Angels, they always have like some sort of eyebrows. Again, I think it just makes it look a little bit more realistic. So that is basically what I did. I'm here to tell you, if you're nervous to do Sunny Angels nail art, don't be, because it's really not as hard as it looks, you know. It's not a super detailed design. So yeah, let me know if you guys want to try this out and what you think. And I'll bring you guys the rest of those nails throughout the rest of the week. And as usual, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.